going on YouTube? Back with another banger today. Today we're going to a car meet, possibly get some races. Right now I'm currently fixing a little leak in my coolant reservoir. I've been meaning to do it for like months now, but it finally got bad enough. I was like, all right, I have to fix this. I can't be pulling up to car meets, leaking coolant all over the place, doing typical Mustang stuff. But yeah, I'm thinking like a rock came up and cracked it or something. It's a small little crack, and I don't have like mud liners, no under skid plate, no nothing on this car, so that's my guess. All right guys, let's do a cold start. To link up with Tez, a couple other cars, I think like a M3, maybe a M5, a couple scat packs. So I'll show you guys their cars once I get to them. So Tez's ZL1, he finally put it on a drag pack. Skinnies in the front, the beadlocks in the rear. So M3 competition, yep. Oh my god, this thing looks crazy. Oh,
that's the type of car 2,000 years later.
Alright guys, we finally made it to the meet, pulling up right now. 2-hour drive. This is probably the last 2-hour drive I'll ever make in this car. It was pretty smooth for the most part, but the exhaust is just like loud as hell. It gets kind of annoying too, and then the smell of E85, it's just like it gives you a headache. All the cars, a lot of cars here for real. Damn, that shit chopping. All right, we'll get out and take a look at a couple of the cars. Pretty good amount of cars out for real. Check out this Audi wagon, dude. So clean. Oh my. Go follow them on the gram. Oh my god. I definitely see myself getting one of those. Those are hard. I low-key mess with the Audis for real. Then you got a CTS-V. Oh my. 2 of them. So clean with the carbon fiber diffuser. Oh my. Another V pulling in. Check the Kia Stinger out. And they got a little intake on it. Oh, check this Audi R8. Beadlocks all the way around it, guys. And there's a cage in it. Oh wow, this is a race car. Check that out. Yeah, I'll definitely not touch this. Oh, he definitely shoot flames for show. Oh wow. Check out this V on the air suspension, on the bags. Never seen this before in my life, but it's pretty clean for real.
He bullying me like God he didn't arm.
These cars are some of the hottest cars in Detroit. The GT500, the Red Eye, and a ZL1 1LE. Check this McLaren out. This is like a dream car. Another R8 pulling up.
Turn car.
It's a whole girl driving. Check that out. R8 pulling in. could be the end of this video. We're about to head back to the Jack. Nice 2-hour drive. Stay posted for the new content coming. It's getting nice out, so we can start having some races. Track day tomorrow, possibly. So yeah, stay posted. See you guys.